what makes you happy?
In my opinion, I think money does not make me anybody happy, because happiness is comes to our neighbors, our friends, and our families. Actually, when I talk to my family and friends, it's make me my happy. But I think money is not cannot buy happiness.
Okay.
What's your opinion?
Actually, not only all time money is needed in our life, because when your father, your mother, and you also sick, that time obviously you need money. Without money you can't do
Yeah.
anything. Okay.
Yeah.
But
Actually,
happiness is needed, but money is also needed every life.
yeah, money
every
is
time.
also needed
Yeah,
to
obviously.
our life. Do you need money or happiness?
Actually, I need both, but right now I need money, lots of money, because right now I'm complete my this course. I will go to abroad in Australia, so there is I completed my master's degree, so that's why I need more money. So everyone needs money, because without money you can do anything. Because suppose you go to the a visited place, or go to the car, buy a car, and then you go to the watching a movie. That time obviously you need money. Without money you can't do anything.
I think the money is also a part of our lives.
Yeah, obviously. Are you happy now?
Yes, I am happy now, because I am learning new skills and learning new things. Actually, I am right now I am learning English, because and some months later I will take IELTS exam. Then I will go to abroad, and I think my family and my brother also support me, and also my friends support me. That's why I am happy right now.
Okay, I bless for you. Actually, you are a good man, and your fluency is also good. I think you will be do it.
Okay, what's your opinion? Can money makes life easier?
Yeah, obviously, it's can easier, because you have money, you buy everything. Also,
Yes.
happiness.
Yes.
You have money, everyone support you. Without money, you are a beggar. If you have lots of money, you can do anything, anytime, any place, anywhere. Okay. You don't have money, you don't do anything right now. But right now my wish, I go to the Australia, I go to the Japan, I go to the Singapore, I go to the Russia. So it everything possible. My mood is off right now, so I go to the watch movie, and I go to the Jeudan, I go to the park, I go to the five-star hotel for my having a lunch, a dinner, and everything. But I don't have money. That time what I do? Nothing.
Nothing.
I'm boring, and all people are leaving me, because I don't have money. Money is everything right now. In this situation, you don't have money, no one can support you, no one can stand before you. So it's natural truth.
Yes.
That's why money is needed.
Yeah. I also think that money is makes life easier.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the right way, I
Okay.
think.
What do you do when you feel sad?
Actually, it's a important question. When I feel sad, that time I talk to my family. I talk to, especially I talk to my mother, because all time my mother encourages me to that way I can do better in my life. And when I feel sad, I'm also watching movies and listening music. It's a bit make me happy now.
Is your family important to your happiness?
Yeah, my family is happiness for me, because last time when I participated in speech competition and I got a third level is a good speaker, then I show my picture by my brother and my family. They are so happy, especially my mother so happy, and she said me, I am proud of you. You are doing good job, and continue. You focus on your education and self study, and you will go better in your future. And what's your opinion?
Actually, when I stay in my with my family, that time I don't feel more. But when I leave my family, I actually sometimes exhausted and also disappointed. Oh my God, family is a big asset to me. So when I get some achievement, I just first of all provide in my family, because when they just show my achievement, they just become a so happy, and also they pray for me all time. So thank you so much for no more today actually. So see you soon, inshallah. So thank you so much,
Thank you so
Mr.
much,
Shakil.
Mr. Rakib Ahmed.
Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.